BLUMARINE spring collection was described as the mermaid is the new incarnation for the blue marine girl. In this collection, the mermaid was turned into a darker, gothic representation, intriguing and sexier, less pop and much girlier. Less girly and more firm was the motto for spring. According to the creative director Nicola Prognano, he was obsessed with this Little Mermaid cartoon in his childhood. Hey guys, today I'll be recreating the cross top modeled by Sternberg on the BLUMARINE Spring Summer 23 Ready to Wear collection. Let's get started.
Okay, as you can see here, I started by cutting my old jeans that I was going to use to create my cross top. So I started with the brief drawing of the top to assist me with the pattern making. After I had a clear understanding of the shape, it was time to get into pattern making, keeping the necessary measurements in mind, like the bust and the overall height of the top.
Okay guys, the top is done. Okay, so as you can see, I did some eyelets around just to accentuate the shape. And in the middle, I decided to put this circle, just to give it a bit of creativity and design. I like this circle here. It's like a portal. And of course, I decided to make a skirt with the remaining fabric and decorated it with the safety pins and a chain to add on to that grungy look, denim grunge. As for my accessories, they're all from Mr. Price. I priced the cups from Mr. Price and these bracelets, they're also from Mr. Price. I got these in the men's section. And my shoes, they're actually custom. I just bought like normal techies and going to a shoemaker to add 2 more layers here. As I said, I love me a shoe with a thick sole. Okay, let's go to the fashion show.